When you think of Philips, you picture TVs, light bulbs, or home appliances. But did you know that the brand is also getting into innovative projectors? Today, we're talking about the Philips Screeneo UL5, an ultra-short throw projector that stands out for its portability, triple RGB laser, and a design made to fit into almost any environment. Compact and versatile, it's been getting a lot of buzz. Is it really a game changer for home theater lovers and those on the go? In this video, we're diving deep into everything it has to offer, its design, performance, strengths, and weaknesses. And for those who want to learn more or order it, the link is available in the description. The Screeneo UL5 impresses at first glance with its compactness. At just 20 centimeters long, 8 centimeters high, and weighing a little over a kilo, it's super easy to move from room to room or even toss in a suitcase. Whether it's to project a movie in a bedroom, on a ceiling for cozy nights in, or while on the go, this model is designed to fit in anywhere. Philips has an overlooked aesthetics. Its premium gray fabric front and white finish give it a modern look that fits nicely in a living room or bedroom. When it comes to functionality, the layout of the connections is well thought out. You'll find an HDMI port, 2 USB-C ports, one for power, and a USB-A port to read files directly from a USB stick or hard drive. Despite its compact size, it comes with a standard screw thread for ceiling mounting and can be used vertically to project images onto a table or ceiling. This last feature will appeal to board game enthusiasts who can, for example, display a game board directly on a table. The included remote is simple but effective, with well-spaced buttons for easy handling. It's a shame, though, that it isn't backlit, which would have been handy for movie nights in the dark. The Screeneo UL5 uses triple RGB laser technology paired with a 0.23-inch DMD chip. This allows it to project images in simulated full HD thanks to XBR technology, even though its native resolution is lower than 960 by 540 pixels. One of its strong points is its color coverage, which is rarely seen in this price range. In terms of brightness, Philips advertises 500 ANSI lumens, but tests show that it reaches between 350 and 450 lumens depending on the settings. It's not huge, which means it's primarily designed for use in dark environments. The ideal projection size for this device is about 70 inches to keep a good image quality. And finally, Philips has gone with its own operating system, Lumen OS, as an alternative to Android TV. It comes with pre-installed apps like Netflix, YouTube, and Prime Video. The lack of Google Play Store might be a drawback, but you can manually add apps via APK if you're comfortable with that kind of setup. Setting up the Screeneo UL5 is quick and easy thanks to its ultra-common projection ratio of 0.23 to 1. In short, just 34 centimeters from a wall, it projects a 100-inch image. Electronic adjustments like keystone correction help achieve a perfectly rectangular image even if the projector is slightly off-center. However, the native resolution and brightness do impose some limits. If you project an image that's too large, the pixels become visible and the image loses sharpness. A size of about 70 inches seems to be the perfect compromise to fully enjoy its capabilities. On the sound side, the Screeneo UL5 has two 3W speakers. Sound is decent, not immersive. Low input lag suits casual gamers. A Bluetooth speaker or a soundbar will be essential for movie nights. One of its strong points is its low input lag, making it a viable option for casual gamers. On the flip side, forget about fast-paced games like FPS or racing games, because the 60 Hz refresh rate and latency aren't optimal. In its category, the Screeneo UL5 stands out as a secondary or portable projector. It's portable and affordable. Its color richness and contrast are superior, but it lacks brightness and sound quality. Where it really shines is in its color richness and contrast, which surpass many projectors in this range. However, it falls short in brightness and sound quality. If you're looking for a main projector or a home theater setup, it's better to go for more robust models. On the other hand, for occasional or mobile use, Screeneo UL5 is an excellent option. The Screeneo isn't meant to replace a traditional UST projector, but it really shines in its category. Compact, lightweight, and equipped with a triple laser, it's aimed at those looking for a flexible solution to project images in different rooms or on the go. Sure, It has its limitations: modest brightness, native resolution below true Full HD, and sound that lacks power, but within those constraints it delivers a rich viewing experience, with vibrant colors and above-average contrast for its price. In summary, the Screeneo is perfect for those who want a portable projector that can adapt to any situation. Check out the link in the description to learn more or to buy it. Feel free to use this link. Every click and purchase supports the channel. And finally, don't forget to leave a comment to share your thoughts. Like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming product discoveries. Thanks for your loyalty. See you soon. Bye bye.